Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to buy gold right here on cex.io. And for this, the first thing that you need to do is create an account, verify your account, and then after that you are allowed to buy gold. Because right now what we're gonna do is click right here on products, spot trading, and then he will send us right here to this page. And then right now we click on sold to US dollars and then we search right here for XAU. Right now he's giving us three options, but I want the XAU to a US dollar. So that is this one. And then right now you will see right here the chart from gold. Then right now what we need to do is select here on buy, fill in how much US dollars we want to put in our position. Then what you can do right here is add a slippage. For me, it's not necessary right now, so 1 is fine. And then click here on the green button. I'm using now a zero balance or $0 balance account, so I can do this. But if you have standing money on your account, you can click right here on the green button. So this is how you can buy gold right here on cex.io. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.